लंबा सा स्किन केयर रूटीन फॉलो करना इज नॉट पॉसिबल एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई कीप लुकिंग फॉर लाइक एवरीडे एसेंशियल्स लाइक एक अच्छा सा फेस वॉश या फिर एक बहुत अच्छा सा सनस्क्रीन दैट एक्चुअली वर्क सो आई विल टेल यू व्हिच वन एंड व्हाई Caffeine's coffee face wash. इसमें है coffee and caffeine. They're rich in antioxidants and have multiple skin benefits. So while it cleanses, removes dirt and chip off my face, it fights free radicals and even repairs UV damage. And इसमें nourishing white water lily that hydrates my skin and reduces fine lines. Wow, I can already feel the difference. My skin is feeling fresh, clear, and there's a natural glow on my face. I think ये perfect है मेरी morning daily routine के लिए. And इसका जो coffee aroma है, it not only wakes my skin up, it wakes me up also. Another staple in my routine is a good sunscreen, and I think I found the right one for me. This coffee sunscreen with SPF 50 offers me broad spectrum protection. इसमें antioxidant-rich caffeine है that gives me sun protection for up to 8 hours and even repairs UV damage. Coffee has anti-inflammatory properties that soothes redness, और hyaluronic acid hydrates skin and controls oil too. इसका formula बहुत lightweight and non-greasy है, so it absorbs into the skin without leaving behind any white cast. And my skin looks soft and matte. And very important, if you want flat 20% off on these products, go to Caffeine's website now.